Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible story behind the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, a $325,000 marvel that's breaking records and capturing hearts. Over 7,500 North Americans have already applied to buy this exclusive supercar. Let's explore what makes it so special. The Mustang GTD is on a mission to set a new Nürburgring lap record, aiming for under 7 minutes. After extensive testing in North America at tracks like Sebring and Virginia International Raceway, it's ready to take on Europe's finest tracks. Its debut at the 24 Hours of Le Mans will be followed by the 24 Hours of Spa and the Goodwood Festival of Speed. Greg Goodall. Our goal has been to engineer the Mustang GTD to be the fastest American production car at the Nürburgring, with over 800 horsepower powering this beast. Ford will release a series of videos throughout the year highlighting the Mustang GTD's engineering and components. Stay tuned for exclusive insights and updates. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on the Mustang GTD and other exciting automotive news.